In that corner, really.
Down that corner as well, so a bit from here as well, isn't it? There's a little bit more, so a little bit more down that end, a bit more off there, and a bit. Let me just check
Try
this.
that one.
Ooh. Still a little bit.
That one,
Yeah, it wants to.
really.
So wants a bit more out of there, down here.
Yep, same thing. A bit more. That's good.
That's an inch, isn't it?
Yeah, the buzzard.
Yeah, there he is. Right. The flooring doesn't get wet.
I thought you were going to paint it.
Yeah, more here.
Bit more like in the middle, really.
Drop off that, is it? I sharpened that.
Mushroom knife.
Where do you want this? What should we do with this?
In the middle. Try it again.
Yep.
You're not going to put that all over.
No, I'm going to put sharp sand. Oh, look in. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good.
Not bad. Not far off. Could even put another bag.
I haven't got any more of that. I've got sharp sand.
Oh, that was ballast, was it? Okay. Sand and gravel.
Got a very thin layer of sand.
Sandy soil anyway, isn't it?
Yeah. This is what the
Grits?
membrane.
Oh, the oh yeah, I've got the membrane.
Yeah. Look at this coming over. Yeah, I'll get some more. What we'll do, grab one of the planks and just gently, yeah,
Pass it down.
just we'll level it, yeah.
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 Okay, I'll pull it. And that way.
Hey.
Perfect. Grids next. Oh.
Oh, that's a lot better, isn't it?
Not flatter, is it?
Hey?
Not flatter.
Much 10 times better.
Okay, let's get cracking.
Right, 2 more this way, isn't it? It's like comes off the Lion King, doesn't it?
Why?
Go on my 4 knees. 4 knees. I've got 2. God, it weighs so much. Look at that, looks really good from there.
Thank you.
So, we bought these, and I'll put a link in the description down below where we got them from. And we were 24 short, and I got to admit, I rang them up, well I didn't ring them, I messaged them and said, I think we're quite short. We sent some photographs back.
24 short we were.
And I got
They sent the other box?
2 days
Brilliant.
later, we had more than what we bargained for, so thanks very much. Right, and there should be 20 in here, is that right?
We need another 4 then.
Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 14.
We need another 10 then.
Oh, right, okay.
Well, I don't know actually. We'll see. See how we get on. Are you right to the edge there?
I thought there would be 20 in that.
Yeah, you'd think so, wouldn't you? 14.
Maybe they did just send us 24 then.
Could have done. How many rows have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is row 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 long. 5 by 6.
Right.
2.5 by 3 meters.
So this that would end up now. I'm pretty sure I measured this right, didn't I? Mind you, if it's as bad as my directions, then yeah, I'll go and get it actually. Okay. Let you do one more. Very good. Really good stuff, isn't it? And it's forgiving.
So it's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 2.5. It should be 3 though, shouldn't it? 3 is 6 meters. 6 of these would be 3 meters.
Well, the shed is 8 by 12.
That's feet.
So it's that, we're plenty, look.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So that's the length of it,
Is that the width?
and that's the width.
You sure?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
So you don't want the extra one down the edge?
We'll have a look.
I don't think you need. I don't think you need it. You'll have to dig out again.
Yeah. I can do that later on. Look, here we go. Well, the floor is the width of the shed, isn't it?
So that batten is the same width as
Yeah.
the floor. Okay. What are you going to do? You're going to put the floor down today? Or?
No.
No.
Put them down now.
Did you want to paint it or something?
Yeah, I want to paint the floor.
Okay.
I want to put these down there. So should we put
Gravel.
should we have a film of doing the first one? Have you got your pen? Knife?
Pen knife? You've got it, I think.
No?
You've lost it.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
It's getting dark, Mark.
Yeah, I'm going to get a few down.
With a roof. Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah.
Okay.
We bought a ton of these.
So what are we
Go
going
over
to
the
do?
edge.
I'll do that. Here we go, we've got 20 mil
And 10 mil.
and 10. Got pea gravel and
What should we do?
whatever that is.
What do you reckon?
Just bung it all on, be fine. Why do we get bags?
Because we had to haul them from down there, my van's down there, you can't see it, and you try and get over this terrain with a wheelbarrow, no chance. Well, the price actually.
Yeah, they would have delivered for 40 quid.
But then it was
Then you would squash all the trees.
Yeah, not just that, no, they wouldn't deliver here, they'd deliver on the road, which is a ton bag, big bag, so you'd still have to handball it out the bag into a wheelbarrow. So
Bags are the easiest.
this is the easiest way to do it.
In dark.
And dark.
So that's 28 bags
And
of gravel.
Yeah.
£2.40 a bag. We've got one more bag. It's on the edge.